line drive deep down the right field line. This one's got some carry to it, and that ball is gone. A home run! Zach McKinstry is driving this offense right now. It's really something to watch.
As long as you have a jersey, you have a chance, and that's something that he's ran with his whole career. Whatever pick number he was, I think he was 33rd round pick. Like, you don't get many chances, and now that he's getting an everyday shot, it's shown that, you know, as long as you have a jersey, you have a chance, and he has completely taken every opportunity he's had and just ran with it.
Gone! Zach McKinstry with a 2-run shot, number 5 on the year.
There was definitely doubts there. Like, am I going to be able to make it? Like, I know I'm a 33rd rounder. There's not much value in me. They didn't pay me, whatever. But at the end of the day, I just had to go play baseball and enjoy what I did. You got 10 hours to be mad about any decision that somebody else makes for you. And after that 10 hours, you need to just lock it in and do your job and make the most of it. That's kind of, my dad gave me that right when I was sent to back to low A in 2017 or 2018, and just kind of rolled with it and just rolled with the punches.
Yeah, Z-Mac's the man. I'd say he can do it all on the field, plays every position really well, has a great arm, and then in the batter's box, you know, he's never out of an at-bat. You know, no matter how good the pitcher is, no matter what the count is, you feel like he's got a good chance of getting on base and just starting a rally for us.
Yeah, I've always felt like I had a pretty good eye. Just like the consistent at-bats, I think being able to have 4 or 5 at-bats a game is huge. You get to see more pitches, you get to pick up the release point earlier in the game, and it's you know, just go out there and have some fun with it. The night before I started leading off, AJ came up to me and he's like, "Hey, if I put you in the 1 hole, will you change?" And I was like, "No, I'll probably just have like the same aggressive mentality. I've been swinging at the first pitch a lot, getting some good fastballs to hit in that 0-0 count." And he's like, "Love it. Be the same guy and just do what you do."
Fair ball into the corner. Extra bases for Zach McKinstry. He rounds first and cruises into second. Extra base power.
McKinstry has been such the heartbeat of this team out of that leadoff spot.
I like to hang out in the cage and listen to those guys talk and just have conversations, and sometimes, you know, just one thing that somebody says just kind of clicks and you'll run with it, and maybe it works for 2 weeks, and then you hear something else and that works for 2 weeks, and you just keep it's a circle of baseball, I feel like.
If you really want it bad enough, like he does, you're gonna find a way, and that's exactly what he's done.